Come to in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition, and I'll just show you. As you can see that I can unlock the device with my face recognition, and now I'll just show you the face unlock test. I'll show you how fast this unlock method is on our Samsung Galaxy M23, and I will just make a couple of tries, for example the 5 ones to unlock the device with my face recognition, and we'll see how fast this feature is. So I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position, and let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the the face unlock method works here, but not so fast I think. But if we'll enable the faster recognition here, I think that the unlock method will work more faster. But the face unlock test with the faster recognition test you can see on our HardReset.Info YouTube channel, the another video. And as can you see that the normal face unlock works not so fast, but I think that can be more faster. As can you see, we just should wait a couple of seconds here. So if you just want, you can try this unlock method on your Samsung Galaxy M23. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.